Okay, so I hope you've had a go at those ionic bonding questions. So let's have a look at these. So this is magnesium oxide, magnesium with oxygen, and it's give you magnesium to start with, and what happens when it turns to an ion. So as you can see, it's got 2 on its outermost shell here. It wants to get rid of them, and it does so. So they're gone now, but there's a 2 plus there. And it's asking you, can you do the same for oxygen? So this is what it's like originally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more does it want? 2, I hear you cry. So we just need to do, this is what's there already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to get the marks for this, you have to go 1, 2, anywhere. Explain in terms of their electrons how a magnesium atom, Mg, and oxygen atom react together to that. So, how do these react? So magnesium loses 2 electrons and becomes positively charged, whereas oxygen gains 2 electrons, becoming negatively charged. These opposite charges attract and bond. Miles more than 2 marks there. Magnesium is an ionic compound. Which of these is a property of a solid? High melting point, yes. Don't need to carry on. Can't bend it. Doesn't conduct electricity because it's not dissolved. It hasn't got a boiling point, so it's high melting point. 4 marks. Ding ding. Next one. So this is tricky. So again, using magnesium oxygen, it's asking you 2 things. How do you make it? And how does it bond? So let's take those one by one. It's very similar to the last one, really. Here's some information about magnesium oxygen and magnesium oxide. There's electronic information. Magnesium is an ionic compound. When magnesium is heated, it reacts with oxygen in the air to form. Describe how the reaction can be carried out. So, you would place magnesium ribbon into a container. You can put, the actual word is crucible, if you can remember that, would be good. And heat it strongly in air. Full stop. Oxygen will bond to the magnesium as a white flame and will turn to a white powder. And you've all done this practical. This is when you get your little container, you put it on your tripod, heat it strongly, and your magnesium you put in, and you come back to it, it'll be white powder. The metal, you'll think, oh, it's disappeared into white powder, but actually it's got heavy because it's gained oxygen. So that is that. Describe how the reaction can be carried out. That's that bit. We haven't done explanation of what happens. And that is very much similar to what I've just said on the other one, but I will write it again. Oxygen and magnesium bond through ionic bonding. Magnesium loses 2 electrons, becoming positively charged, whereas oxygen gains 2 electrons becoming negatively charged. These opposite charges attract and bond. There we go. 4 marks. So you can see this is a bit of a tricky one. So there's a lot in your chemistry paper describing methods. And this is the first method. How do you do it? And this is why does that happen from there onwards. Okay, thank you. Hope you did okay. Ionic bonding, done.